guys, so this is what my restroom is looking like. As you can see, there's no decorations in here. It is plain, it is sad. And so let's go ahead and get some stuff in here to decorate my restroom. I'm going for like a neutral theme here with the rustics and the farmhouse theme. So I purchased some stuff at Ross and let's see how it turns out. So these tables right here, I purchased at Ross for $6.99 each. And all I'm doing is setting them here for decoration for my restroom. Alright, so I already hanged those there. I also got a smaller version and a medium size, or I guess a small size, in this color. And what I'm gonna do is put it in this little hanging thingy that I have right here. Let me go ahead and show you. Adding that one right there. And then I'm just gonna add the other one like that. And there's that side right there. This area rug right here, I found at Ross too, and it was only $12.99. And I like the color and it matched the towels, so I decided to buy it. And so I will be using it for my restroom. This plant right here I also found at Ross, and it was $24.99. I know it was a little bit more expensive, but I kind of liked it. It didn't fit in my little window, but I made it work. So there's that plant right there. So these picture frames that I'm about to hang right here were a gift for our 10th anniversary. So I just decided to add them to my restroom. I like the way they looked and they were wood, so they will match perfectly with my decor in here. Alright guys, so this is what the finished restroom looks like, and I only spent less than $100. So you can go to your local stores, look around. If you don't have a Ross, because I was able to buy all this at Ross, if you don't have one, just look around Hobby Lobby, use your coupons and look for specials, guys. So there you go. This is what my finished restroom looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.